Hello, I'm Marie, welcome to the next Vivo tutorial. This time we're going to start creating pages. We'll be looking at how to add text, images and video into your course and how to format these elements. Starting from where we left off last time in your main menu, what you need to do is just double click on the page you want to start designing. This brings up your page editor. Like before, you have all your formatting and customizations across the top, the page preview on the right, and just below that you've got your timeline, which we'll actually be coming back to in the next tutorial. On the left here you have what we call your building bricks, which is basically your asset library of various things you can add into your course. To start this page off, I'm going to add a background. I'm going to be a bit fancy and use a video for this. So the way to do it is just open up your video drop down. I'm going to use an imported video, so I'll click on that. To import a new video, you can just click on this import button here and then select the files from your computer. I've already imported the video I want, so it's waiting here for me. Anything you do import into Vivo will stay in your library for every single course you make, so you'll be building up your own library as you go along on top of what's already there. To get the video onto your page, all you need to do is drag and drop it on. When you do this with a video, you'll get a little pop-up asking if you want the page to be the same amount of time as the length of the video. I'm going to press yes for this. You can always adjust it later on anyway. Once you add something onto your page, you'll get some basic formatting options to the side of it. The first one lets you move and reposition it on your page. The next one lets you adjust the size. And the one after that allows you to rotate it. While I'm just here, I'm going to jump up to the top of the viewer and show you a couple more buttons. You've got your undo and redo, so you can change any of your actions by clicking them. And also you can zoom in and out of the page viewer using this slider. So coming back to my page and this last formatting button, which does take it all a little bit further, I'm not going to go into in this tutorial. What I'm looking for is just this one thing where I want to deselect show video controls. That's just because I don't want them to show when I'm using it as a background. Next, I'm going to start adding some images over the top of my video. Click on the images drop down. I'm going to scroll down to a new category I've set up for myself previously just to make it easy for these tutorials. The way I've done that is just by clicking new category here at the top. Don't forget though, there are loads of assets already built in that you can use too. So I'm after this guy, Tutorial Turtle. You can drag him onto your page as before. He's a bit bigger than I'd like, so I'm just going to resize him and then pop him in the corner there. He's the one doing the narration, so I'm going to give him a speech bubble. I actually just want to adjust the shape of this a little. You can see at the moment the height and the width of the image are locked together. So to change that, you go up to the Properties tab and into the Object Properties section. If you do need to be a bit more precise with your adjustments, you can fill in the information there instead. I'm just looking for this bit though, which is where you can unlock the height and width of your images so you can adjust the shape. While I'm here, I'm also going to make the images slightly see-through using the opacity slider. That's just to make them look a bit more like they're underwater on the background. Finally, I'm going to add a text box to let Tutorial Turtle talk us through the course. Going back to the building bricks section, just click the text box button and then create a text box wherever you want it and just start typing. Then if you hop up to the text tab, this is where you can select your font. You can adjust the text size. You might want to change the colour. And then you've got a couple of other effects that you can see there too if you need them. To finish up, I'm just going to align the text to the centre of the text box. And that's it. That's all there is to adding content to your pages. So just save that and then check out the next tutorial to see how to bring it all to life.